All right, on this project, your goal is to click on the damaged parts of the truck, and if you miss, when you hit submit, it counts those up, and you can reset the project and completely start over. So back in Unity, what you're doing here is on this empty game manager object, you're going to attach two scripts from the scripts folder, the spawn circle 3 and the count circles. And then you'll have to give it a prefab for the circle. That's the one that floats around with your raycast. And then the circle stay, which is when you click, it stays behind. And both of those are in the prefabs there. And then this left-hand controller is just this action-based left-hand controller here, dragged in. And then the count circles does several things. If you get into the code, you'll see that it creates an array of new circles as you click and they stay behind, and that populates. And then when you click on the submit button, it's supposed to do something. And if you want the text to actually work, you'll have to open the scoreboard up here and drag in the Text Mesh Pro objects. The submit button itself, under the scoreboard here, we have the submit button. If we collapse some of, well, we want that one open. If we collapse those and on click, you'll hit plus and you'll add the game manager just by dragging that down in there. And then you'll be able to access the functions that are on the script, specifically the one called on button press, which is what does all the calculations and populates the Text Mesh Pro text field. And then this reset button, that one will need the game manager as well. And on the count circles, there's a reset function that really just reloads the scene. So that's all there is to it. Good luck.